Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're using 100 sounds button. 100 sounds button. I was just checking if the phone is here. That's his YouTube channel is on YouTube. That's a pretty good rhyme. Ooh. Ooh.
Nope. 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 Nope.
The volume.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Oh my god. It's all it was. It's all it was. Wow. It needs cleaned up with a diaper wipe. What the heck is going on with that? Okay, good.
Crawl under there, find the cord for the hole on that thing. Find it. Pull on to make sure. Alright, pull it out.
Okay, guys, I'm back. What the heck? That was just a glitch. Glitchies. I don't like glitches. Okay. Cute. I can't handle it. Whoa. What's up, guys? Top of the morning. Jacksepticeye back here with another video. What the crap is that?
Nope.
I guess what color that is. Is it blue or something? Is it light blue or something? Try to guess that color. Try to guess that color, boy. Try to guess that color. Try to guess that color.
What the hell was that? The new station manager's idea. Getting some of the on-air talent to work commercials.
So I think this video. Get so many messages from Facebook! So many messages again from Facebook.
Matthew, get out from under there.
I got 40 messages from Facebook. No. Stop texting me. Stop it, Illuminati. No, it's gonna get to my brain.
Nope.
No, I don't want this ad. No, thank you. No, no. I got so many dang games on here. You guys won't believe it. Alright. Chad Rock Classics and making videos. Alright. That's gonna be. Oh my god. I came in like a rock star. I'm in a movie with my rock star. Techno Classics, Techno Club, alright. You suck, I'm good with chat. Go to ground chat, wild clay. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Hey, Daddy. Nobody likes you, Chad, cause you smell like crap.
You smell like crap. You smell like crap. You smell like clone away. Crap, 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 crap,
Just making a video. This is not Steve shirt at all.
Hey, Daddy. You're not going anywhere.
Don't get.
Is your mom here, honey?
Baby, I'm going down to
Baby Clyde, baby Clyde, baby Cole.
Stop it.
Holy smokes! Dumped it. Say crap for a minute. Ow! Ow!
I'm stopping the video.
Ow!
Stop! Matthew! Stop!
Matthew, stop!
Stop! Stop! Don't bite. Stop. Oh, please stop. Matthew, please stop. Please stop.
I just texted you.
What the heck? You texted me? No way.
I texted with them. bug.
She's a little mad. Yes, thank you.
Ow!
You gonna hug Matthew?
So sorry.
Yes, you're gonna hug because the yellow banana's here.
You left me handcuffed and
Wow, it's so sunny out. Hooray! 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 See you later. I wanna
more
have
help.
freaking wrong.
Thank you, Dr. Crane. Shame on you, Dr. Crane. Why can't you be more like Dr. Crane? Believe it,
I
took 6
can
hours to get around. My days comes to count on a few.
Up bounce.
Friends out of jail. That's all,
Yeah. 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 Babs. Babs. Chat is going out. Yeah. Stop.
I'll sit around 6 hours and
Ah.
wait. Where are we going anyway? Well, I'd like to order a large.
Oh my. I have butt. I have butt. Ow.
Awesome remix.
Stop.
I'm doing the video somewhere else.
Matthew, you're breaking my charger when you're doing that. No.
Matthew, you need to stop. Tomorrow's okay.
Beep, 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 beep. Go down, check, go around to the ground. Help me, it's the hacker! Help me, it's the hacker! Come on, player, this is the hacker right here! Ah! Yes! Yes! This is the hacker! This is the hacker inside of my house! This is my house! Wow! This is where I am! This is where the hacker is! This is where he is right now! Jack! Help! Dad, give me some shit! Ow!
You better knock it off.
One cup of heavy green tea and you'll have
I can't have the hacker.
no tea. Good promise. Happy dream. Well, ad revenues are down and you're a major new sponsor. This plans to read the answers. She's been a psychiatrist and fantasy. They're focusing something that's impossible. Oh, now I understand. Are we just thinking that war is